Hello friends, today I am going to download the latest version of MySQL in my PC. The software is compatible in both 32-bit and 64-bit operating system. First we'll download the MySQL software and then we'll go for installation process. Search for MySQL, begin your download in your browser. Here I am using Firefox. There is also a link in the description which will direct you to this page. After entering to this page, you have to log in using your Oracle account. Soon after login, you will see a download now button. You have to click it, then you can save the file.
5 minutes later.
After the download is completed, open the file. After a few seconds, you will see a pop-up. Wait until the process completes. Click on next button, then click execute. Here MySQL will install the following files. Click I have read and click next. It will install all the files required. Wait until the progress is completed. After the progress is completed, there will be a finish button at the end. Press it. Install another software. Click next button. Click execute button. Wait until the status is completed. After the status is completed, click next. Then you can see MySQL folders in all programs, which is located in Start menu.
2,000 years later.
After selecting the required folders and files in MySQL installer, click Next. Then you will see a pop-up like this. Wait until all the status completes. Enter your password and repeat your password again, and then click Next. Click on Execute. You can also put your username and password over here. Click on Finish. The software is installed successfully. Let us check it. To check the software is installed or not, go into Control Panel and then go into Programs. Now let us reconfigure the software again. Keep it same. Do not change anything. Enter your password and click Next. Click on Execute button. After completing, press Finish button. All the softwares are installed successfully. Let us check the Workbench file is installed or not. Workbench is also installed.